Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is about how to make this very beautiful and very cute slider teddy bear card. So it will work like this. Isn't it very cute? And I have also written the sentiment inside the card. Nothing makes my heart smile more than sharing this special day with you. Happy Valentine's Day. So, let's start with the procedure. For this we need half cut pearls, scissor, ruler, some punched hearts, pencil, red color gel pen, red tacky tape, double-sided foam tape, liquid glue, white and red color thick sheets, some pattern papers and plastic bag or polythene strip. First I am taking this white color sheet which measures 18 by 14 centimeters and this is having 250 GSM thickness. So from left side I am marking on 3 centimeters, 9 centimeters and 15 centimeters. Now make a line on these markings. Now rotate your paper and again I am marking from left side on 1.5, 3, 3.3, 3.6, 3.9 and 10.1, 10.4, 10.7, 11 and 12.5 centimeters. In the same way I have marked in the bottom. Now join all the markings and create a line. So it will look like this. Now I am making 4 small slits on all 4 corners like this and we need to cut these slits using paper cutter. These 4 slits. So just taking my paper cutter and cutting these slits. So this is done. Now we need to cut 2 more slits. So I am marking these portions which we need to cut. So we will cut this and this. So this is also done. Now I am taking 2 plastic strips which measures 28 by 1 centimeters and I have already added double-sided tape on the ends of this strip. So I am just inserting this plastic strip through these small slits. Remove the liner and connect these strips. So it will work like this. In the same way I will connect other strip in the bottom. Now I am taking 2 11 by 1.5 centimeters paper strips, and I have added double-sided tape on top and bottom. So I will just weave this strip from this big slit, and I will connect this with the plastic strip from top and bottom like this. Now take this strip towards the center. Now rotate your paper, and on other side I will connect other strip. So remove the liner, and this time I will directly connect this strip on the plastic strip. Like this. Now take this pattern paper which measures 17 by 13 centimeters, and from back side, from the left side I am marking on 3 and 14 centimeters. Make a line. Rotate your paper, and from left side mark on 4.5 and 8.5 centimeters. Again make a line. Now we need to cut this center part. Like this. Now take back your card, and I will connect this pattern paper on top of this. Now take both the inner strips towards the sides. Like this. Now from back side I will connect one double-sided tape from paper strip to plastic strip. Remove the liner. Now I am taking one pattern paper which measures 16 by 11 centimeters, and it will work as a slider. So I will connect this pattern paper on this double-sided tape. So it will work like this. Yes, it's working. Now I am taking this card base which measures 28 by 18 centimeters. I have just folded this in half, and on top of this I will connect my card. So just add glue on the edge and connect with the base. Now I have created these two cute teddies on white color sheet, and I have colored using pencil colors. If you want the template of these teddies, I have given link in description box. You can download from there. Now I have fussy cut both the bears using my scissors by leaving little white paper gap. Now take back your card, and I have already added double-sided foam tape on both the white color strips like this. Now remove the liner and connect teddies on left and right sides. Now I have already created this foam glitter heart. So I am cutting this heart from the center and giving both the parts on the teddy's hand. So when they will come closer, the heart will get joined. Otherwise it will get separated. So you will have fun of playing this slider card. just adjust the heart according to you. Yeah, it's very pretty. Now I'm adding this Be My Valentine heart in the center of the card to fill this empty space. And also decorating the bottom by adding some punched red hearts and top by adding half cut pearl chain. Like this. Now I am taking the 17 by 13 centimeter white sheet. I have added 4 punched heart in all 4 corners, and now I am writing the sentiment for the card. You can add any message of your choice. To write the sentiment, I am using my pink color gel pen. So this is done. Now take back your card and I will connect the sentiment inside the card. So the beautiful teddy bear slider card for the Valentine's Day is ready. I'm sure you will try this card soon. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please comment below for any suggestions. See you soon. Bye bye.